Investment strategy. Potential economic air pocket ahead could present opportunities. We're watchful of the risk of an air pocket in the U.S. economic recovery due to the waning support from U.S. federal weekly unemployment stimulus checks under the CARES Act that expired in July. President Trump's executive action on 8 August to extend federal unemployment benefits will take a few weeks to be delivered and provides a lower amount of $300 per week versus $600 previously. Our base case expectation, however, is that new fiscal aid will eventually be delivered. Despite the two parties' disagreements in many areas, both sides agree that unemployment benefits need to be extended, and in any case, Congress will need to start a general fiscal funding process in September when they return from recess. Adding to these certainties for investors will be the November U.S. presidential election, which historically comes into focus and contributes to rising equity volatility in the few months before elections. As President Trump remains behind in polls, albeit gaining ground, we should not be surprised to see him further ratcheting up tensions against China, given the popularity of the anti-China agenda amongst his base and the desire of the China hawks in his administration to implement their agenda before the election. The quotient of unpredictability in this area of risk is high. 1 month ago, very few would have expected that WeChat would be banned in the US. We believe that the investment environment ahead will be characterized by a moderate economic recovery that returns to pre-COVID-19 levels of production and employment after 2021. Moderately rising inflation, marginally higher U.S. Treasury yields, a weaker U.S. dollar, U.S. Fed funds rates staying at near zero levels for up to 5 years. Bottom line, notwithstanding the scope for near-term market swings, we see this environment being generally supportive of credit, commodities, emerging market currencies, and equities, in particular, cyclical and value equities related to energy, commodities, base metals, and agriculture.